This is the Arcade1Up Mortal Kombat cabinet, and we are going to build it because this is for consumers. It's for the home. It's a few $100. You can buy it in a store and build it yourself. Let's see just how easy that is. And now fully assembled, this is the Arcade1Up Mortal Kombat cabinet. It's $300, it comes with Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3, and it's an arcade cabinet with a 17-inch monitor, and buttons, and sticks, and all that neat stuff. If you've ever wanted an arcade cabinet in your home, this is a pretty interesting way to do it. And putting it together, not a perfect system. The particle board, we've had a few little issues with the screw holes, but honestly, pretty easy. No worse than putting together your average piece of IKEA furniture. We got this done in under an hour, and look at it, it's working just fine. The only real bump I found when building it was that one of the supports on the back, the screw hole was too loose for the actual screw to catch, so I tried to buff it up a little bit with some quick seal epoxy, which isn't the best way to do things, but we're in a pinch when trying to shoot this video. We still got this done in an hour. This entire series seems like it's most useful for Gen X and early age millennial gamers who grew up with arcades, like the pre-crash into 86, they had an NES, but they also remember dropping a lot of quarters at arcades, and they just wanted their own cabinet, and through the 90s, they played games like this. So being able to have this in your own house for just $300, that's a pretty good deal. I'd say if you ever wanted a home arcade cab and you didn't want to basically build your own emulation system or refurbish one using original boards or any of those more complicated and some of them are legally dubious methods, this is an accessible and inexpensive way to get a cab in your own house.